Hey friends, we're here today to talk about expanded form. Now, this is a part of place value representations. The place value representations are super important in decomposing numbers. So when we look at a standard form number, that's just the plain old number, and that's composed, right? Well, different representations of place value are made to decompose those numbers. So the one we're going to talk about today is expanded form. There's a few vocabulary words that we have to know before we can get started though. So the first one is going to be place. So the place is the spot a number is at on the chart. So if this is our place value chart where we have our ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands, this place is the ones place. That's what the place is, just the places on the place value chart. Then we have a digit. So inside of those places, we're going to put digits. Digit is just a number, 0 through 9. It's that single digit number, just that one number. So all of the digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Those are the digits. Once you get to 10, that's made of 2 digits. That's 1 and 0 put together. So a digit is just those single numbers. Then we have value. Value is how much a digit is worth when it's in a certain place. So this is a 4. The digit is a 4. But when you stick it in that thousands place, it's worth 4,000. This digit is a 2. But when you stick it in the hundreds place, it's worth 200. This digit is a 3. But when you stick it in the tens place, it's worth 10, 20, 30. And then this digit is a 4. And when you stick that 4 in the ones place, it's worth 4. So we have 2 different 4s in this number. One is worth 4,000 because it's in the thousands place. And one is worth 4 because it's in the ones place and it's worth 4 ones. So expanded form is when you take each number or each digit in the place and you expand it to its value. So for example, and this is just kicking it back to second grade, this number 4,284. This is the standard form number, right? It's just a plain old number. In order to get our expanded form, we're going to write the value of each digit, how much each one is worth. So we're going to start with the greatest place. A 4 in the thousands place is worth 4,000. And then we add it. A 2 in the hundreds place is worth 200. An 8 in the tens place is worth 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So we write our 80. And then a 4 in the ones place is worth 4. So our expanded form is 4,000 plus 200 plus 80 plus 4. And when you read the number, guys, it kind of tells you what to write. 4,284. 4,284. So that's kind of cool. It gives you the answer when you read the number out loud. Now, as you know, in third grade, we go up to the 100,000s place. So you can do expanded form all the way past the 100,000s place, but we're just going to do it to the 100,000s place today. So here's my standard form number, 3. And remember how we read a number. We read the first number, 328. Read our comma that says 1,000, 673. So I take the first digit, which is a 3, and it's in the 100,000s place. So that's worth 300,000. You take this 3, the digit, and every spot after it, you're going to fill that with zeros. So 300. So I've got my 300, comma, 000. So 300,000 plus a 2 in the 10,000 spot is worth 20,000. So I take that 2 and I add in my zeros for every spot after, 20,000. Plus, you know this one, 8 in the thousands place is worth 8,000. Plus a 6 in the hundreds place is worth 600. Plus a 7 in the tens place is worth 70. And a 3 in the ones place is worth 3. Now, when you read this number, it's a little different from when you're starting from the thousands place because we don't read 1,000 after every spot. So here we have 328. We don't say 300,000, 20,000, 8,000. We say 300. So when you do your expanded form here, you write 300, and then you have to give it its last name, 1,000. So 300,000 plus 20,000, 8,000, 673. So expanded form is just taking each digit in its place and telling me its value, how much it's worth. So this is my hand signal for value, how much it's worth.